somehow I got hit.
This is so cool.
Guys, big shot, slow it down. We got 2 cruisers.
I'm speeding up. I'm getting shot at. I do not.
Sweet 8K damage.
Oh man. They're targeting me. Going up to full speed. Healing. Same with me. Way too many.
Ari, repeat the call. Pay attention to what we're saying. Ari, look out.
Don't ram me.
Nate, it's your fault. Nate, Tom, can you feel the other way?
This is Nate.
Nate, you should feel off behind me.
No.
It's alright.
We got it. Please, yeah, please help me. I'm dead! I had no clue. I died because I was salvaged from the battle. I'm sorry, I'm dead. Come on, Ari, you can do it. You're the hood. I wish those little missile things on the top of the gun would do something. I wish the little missile thing like on the top of the gun right here would do something. Like it would actually be a mortar shot. I could switch to it, but
What? What the heck? Here, you got incoming. I got a battleship.
I know I got a full volley from him and he destroyed me. And I was like I was pretty good health. Oh, way over half. I'm definitely being a battleship next time. I just like the way this is.
Yeah, the area captured now.
This is beautiful. Beautiful. It's really dark. But it's really light because of the giant Slenderman like hand aurora in the sky. Sorry, bro. I gotta shake up this thing. You know you're gonna lose against this dude, right, Atan?
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to hold the points best I can.
Dude, you're going up against an actor.
I know. It's not
Tier 8 to Tier 6. German versus German. Say is that. Good job, Ari. You got a Tier 8. Tier 7. Looks like you. I thought you got a Tier 8. Sorry. You're on fire. I'm on fire! You're gonna die soon. Massachusetts. Not that bad, if you ask me. Like in North Carolina. You're still on fire. What skin is this? This is the permanent skin for it. I need a permanent skin for this. I cannot progress. Oh guys, we got the cool Pensacola skin. The space one. Oh, Sinnoh. Looks like Admiral Hipper to me. Oh yeah, that's right. I do not know some shit, but I do know. Put up. I died so bad.
I was confident.
Should I be a battleship now?
And I'm going to say this like I always say things. Not my choice, not my problem.
Equips background baton. And never lose them again.
Woo! Javelins! Yep, with those nice broadheads.
Am I a joke to you?
I'm a joke to you.
What did I do that for? Get back in. No. Still here. Did I get off? Yep. I really want to get this. What will it do? Okay, my artillery goes down by -1. My maneuverability goes up by 4. My AA defense goes up by 10. My survivability goes up by 5. But my artillery going down by just 1. Should I do that or?
I'm literally 2/3 of the way from getting back.
Time to rate full engine power when accelerating. Not bad for a battleship.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah. I'm just not gonna do that now. I'm still not gonna do it. Alright, ready up. Am I the dude that hosts all these communal things?
No, it's just that
It's just, I got a new thing on my gist on my battleship. What is that?
What the? it's like. What the? It's like, what the? It stops. It stops, sir. What? The music stopped. Oh, that has nothing to do with it.
What's up?
What's up? It stopped right now.
Have a whiff of this and prepare to
It's like, what is that?
Hey, that was pretty good. Oh,
Hey, man, that's
John Bart! We're up against John Bart in Alaska. Tier 9's Neptune.
Ari, you got us into this. What is that? Listen, no, it's actually this guy down here.
I'm gonna die.
Hey, man, that. And they've done. Jump. Hey, man, that stuff was great. You're vegetarian. Hey, guys, check out this game.
Yes. Straight to B. Right, boys, we got an aircraft carrier on our team. Sapien. Sapien. I'm in the point. I see the point right now.
Did you see my screen?
Huh? Right or left?
I'm to the right. You're in the
9.
Boys, I'm going to A, okay? You guys go where you want. I'm going to A.
Oh yeah, nice. Nice.
Ace!
I'm going to B.
Okay, then go to B, then Ari,
I really think we're gonna use some forces because they got 4 battleships. Watch where the battleship's going. I really think they're just targeting me. Nope, targeting a destroyer. Okay. Yep, we got a battleships coming in at B at on. A's untouched really. Because they got an aircraft in that area, so A's practically untouched. But capture A.
I'm going for A. You guys can A's and B's. They got a cruiser and a battleship. They do seem understaffed. Cruiser and
Get up there, alright, get up there.
Yeah, B. It seems like B is going to be a hot spot, so you guys might want to concentrate at B. We have an aircraft carrier. We should try to protect it from all the forces. And then you over here, slay.
None of them. Detected 3 shots incoming. 3 salvos. Not good. Not good. All battleship salvos. Cruiser salvos. I know. You're targeting me. I'm so punched. I'm so punched. And my cough on my lungs.
That was unexpected.
What?
I actually did get shit next to it. That was really
Watch yourself, dude. Watch yourself. Yeah, you got it. Thank God. Those torpedoes missed him.
oh my god, that's a lot of
火災発生このままでは
Yeah, I'm missing! Somehow I'm missing every single shot.
Out here, yeah. They're all coming to B now. We could use every single. Why? What did I do? I'm not a Costa B around. No, I'm not. That was your shot. That was your shot. I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. See, I knew I was dead because I was so low on health. Neptune's tier 9, so I'll give it.
I ain't getting shot at.
I just